How to find TikTok shop trends, viral products, and videos. Shop Shark tutorial. Now, most people find winning TikTok shop products way too late. Now, by the time they notice a product is trending, thousands of other sellers are already copying it. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find TikTok shop trends early using ShopShark. We're going to go through viral product research, TikTok analytics, GMV data, creator heat maps, and how to identify products before they become oversaturated. Now, if you want to test the platform yourself, ShopShark also offers a 3-day free trial through the link below. Let's get into it. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is copying products that are already everywhere. Now, if every creator on TikTok is already posting the same product, you are usually entering way too late. Good product research is really about timing. You want to catch products while they're growing, not after they've already exploded. And this is where analytics tools become extremely useful. Instead of randomly scrolling TikTok hoping to discover something, you can actually analyze trend data properly. Now, that gives you a massive advantage. So, once you go ahead and log into ShopShark, this is going to be your main general dashboard. Okay. Your dashboard is going to look pretty straightforward, as so. Now, honestly, the biggest advantage here is that it organizes a huge amount of TikTok shop data in one place. You can go ahead and actually filter products based on their categories, their revenue, commission rate, commission value, growth, engagement, creators, sales activity, and trend velocity. Now, if you're completely new, some of these numbers might look intimidating at first, but don't worry. We some of these numbers or some of these metrics are actually pretty simple once you understand what they mean. The goal is not to stare at charts pretending to be a Wall Street analyst. The goal is simply to identify products gaining momentum. Now, one important metric that you're going to see right here is the GMV. Okay. GMV stands for gross merchandise value. Basically, it represents estimated sales generated by the products, and you're going to see the GMV right here on top of every video. So if a product suddenly shows rapid increasing GMV, that usually means demand is growing quickly. And honestly, this is much better than just relying on views because views alone don't always mean people are buying. A product might have millions of views but terrible conversion. GMV is going to help you identify products generating actual sales activity. And that is the important part. Another useful feature is going to be the viral trend analysis. Now, this helps identify products that are suddenly accelerating in popularity. And this matters because timing is everything in TikTok e commerce. You can identify products while they're actually going ahead and starting to trend instead of after saturation happens. You're already ahead of most beginners. You will also notice trending charts and product performance history. Now, this lets you analyze your growth speed, your consistency, your creator activity, and the overall momentum. And honestly, once you start recognizing the patterns, you begin noticing the same types of winning products repeatedly. Usually, these are products that solve simple problems, look visually satisfying, and create curiosity or even demonstrate well on camera. TikTok is extremely visual, so products that look interesting in the first few seconds usually perform the best. Now, moving on, let's actually go ahead and see the creator heat maps in analytics because this is one feature that I really like. Now, this basically shows which creators are heavily publishing and pushing certain products. This is your heat map. Okay. And this is useful because creator activity often signals product momentum. So, for example, if multiple creators suddenly begin posting the same product and engagement starts increasing rapidly, that is usually worth paying attention to. This also helps you analyze what style of videos are working, how creators structure hooks, and what type of content is driving views. And honestly, studying marketing angles is just as important as finding products themselves. A mediocre product with strong marketing often outperforms a good product with terrible content. So, personally, here's the workflow I recommend for beginners. First, go ahead and look for products with rising momentum instead of already saturated products. Secondly, check whether creators are actively promoting them. So simply click on the product, and once you do this, you're going to see how the creator work is going on. Okay. Thirdly, you're going to analyze the engagement quality for yourself. And fourth, ask yourself one simple question: would somebody actually stop scrolling for this? Because that is what TikTok e commerce really comes down to, and that is attention. Now, if the product looks boring immediately, performance becomes much harder. A few quick tips before you start product research. Number one is do not go ahead and chase every trend. Some products are going to spike briefly and disappear instantly. Number two, avoid emotional decision making. Use actual data instead of guessing. And number three, focus on content angles, not just products. Sometimes the marketing approach itself is more important than the product. So that is basically how you're going to find TikTok shop trends and viral products using ShopShark. Now, as you can see, using analytics makes product research much smarter compared to randomly guessing trends from your TikTok feed. You can identify momentum earlier, analyze creator activity, and make more informed decisions. If you want to test the platform yourself, ShopShark currently offers a 3-day free trial using my link below. I will leave everything linked in the description and pinned comment.
So, to sum it all up, that is basically the end of the video. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video till the end, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn bell notifications on. It will really help me out a lot. And if there is anything that you need to know, something regarding this video or any question, do let me know down in the comments below and I will answer it to you straight away. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.